Yeah, so if you have a young driver, an older driver, or you're new to driving, like, you know, this is your first car and you want to have a little tech in it, or you want to make it safer for that new driver or older driver, keep this in mind. It's a really affordable solution that does a ton of stuff and is super functional. All right, hey guys, Jay from Showtime Audio. So we have a client, they actually saw our Lambo video where we added a digital rear view mirror and they wanted it. They're like, I don't have a Lambo, but I like the functionality of the mirror and I'd really like to have that. So they brought it in and we added it. So this is the same mirror that we did in that vehicle. So it's a digital rear view mirror with forward and rear facing dash cams. So not only does it act as a rear view mirror, a backup camera, and the dash cam. So you get all three functionalities in one product. So this is the Rydeen version, which is the R10X SPL. Basically, the nice thing about this one is it comes with a mount, so you can actually mount it. You replace the original mirror. There's a lot of kits out there that, and even Rydeen makes one where it straps on over the rear view mirror. Not a fan of that. It just doesn't look good. It doesn't look integrated. It doesn't look factory. It's kind of not great. You move it, it's just bad. With this version, it allows you to actually put a physical mount. Plus, this company also sells a ton of mounts so that it'll bolt on to, like it came with the vehicle. They have them for Volkswagen, BMW, Audi, Toyota, Ford, basically you name it, even that Lambo. Now the Lambo, we had to kind of make it because it was Audi / Lamborghini. But in this vehicle, the mount that comes in the box actually fits right on and bolts in as if it came. So this is the backup camera, which it doubles. Now it's a wide angle camera. So even though it's facing down, and we have that because they're using it for parking, as you can see, you can see the edge of the bumper, but the view is pretty high so that you can still use it as a rear view mirror, and we'll show you that in a second. So as you can see, the mirror bolts on to the existing window button. So this way it's mounted as if it came with the car. So right now we still have the plastic on here. If you want to see the quality of the video, I mean, it's really, really impressive, right? So we like to let the clients peel the sticker because it's their car. They should get to open their brand new toy. But just so that you can get an idea, if you swipe here, this is the rear view. So you're using it as a rear view mirror. It's a digital rear view mirror, obviously. You can see the car behind us. Now you can scroll down so that you can see, but you're looking at the floor, right? So what we do is we scroll up, and now we're using it as a rear view mirror. And the nice thing about this is it has the mile per hour. It has a GPS antenna, which tells you the mile per hour, and it tells you your direction you're heading. You also have your clock, you know, date, time, day of the week, all that good stuff. One of the cool benefits is every time you throw it in reverse, the camera shifts to the downward position. So this is you backing up. This is the edge of the bumper. So this right here is the center, and this is the ends of the bumper. Now you can scroll up, but in this situation, when you're backing up, you want to see the bumper. You don't want to see directly behind you. You want to see how close the gap is to the car behind you. So it makes it much easier to park, right? Now, then you throw it in drive, and it goes back to the forward-facing camera. Now, if you want to look at the forward-facing camera, that's the forward-facing camera. Now, what we can do is actually, so let me adjust this. So this is the cool thing. You see that I'm adjusting the camera, right? So now I'm adjusting it a little left, a little right. My goal here is I want to see both the A-pillars, which is these two tan pieces right here, and the top of the hood, which is this right here. This way I'm getting the most possible view for the dash cam out of the windshield, right? So this is recording. There's a small dot there, which is blinking, this little red dot. You can see the little red dot right there. And so the DVR is recording right onto the mirror. So if you ever get in an accident, somebody jumps in front of you, somebody says, you know, somebody backs into you and says you hit them, you have it on tape, right? So backup camera as well. Somebody slams into the back of you while you were parked or waiting at a light, We have a car here right now. The client was sitting at a light and the car just barreled into the back of him, damn near destroyed his car. The nice thing about this system is it's great for all kinds of cars and all kinds of people. If you want a dash cam, check. If you want a rear facing camera, because let's say you have blind spots like we did in that Lambo, you got that. And let's say you want a parking camera. So that when every time you throw it in reverse, it kind of pitches down and you can see your bumper. There you go. So this serves all three purposes, and you can't tell. I mean, it looks like it came with the car. The wiring is very hidden. It bolts up. I mean, you'd never know the difference between this mirror and the stock. So one of the other cool benefits of this camera and the dash camera is it has parking mode. So parking mode basically means that if something happens while the vehicle's off, it will record it. It has a G sensor, which is a shock sensor. So in essence, if the car gets bumped, that's gonna generate some movement, and that's gonna turn the camera on and start recording. So again, it just does so much for such a small form factor package. And so this isn't sponsored in any way, but if you're looking for something that's really functional and not super expensive, I mean, because this, for the money, this thing does so much. It is, again, it's really functional, it looks really good, and it works. So that's a rare combination. It's rare to be able to get all those things. You know, you can have anything you want, pick two, right? So usually it's, you know, it's not expensive, but it's not good. It's not good, but it's expensive, or, you know, vice versa, whatever. Pick a pair here. But in this case, this one works really well. And for the amount of money, you can't beat it. So what is this good for? So this is good for a new driver. So if you have a new driver, somebody that's just starting out, this is super useful because one, it's a dash cam. Two, it's great for parking. And three, it's super easy to use.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.